Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson, and today we are going to talk about link concrete of the pie cap. So first of all, I will go through the detail drawing first, and right now we go to the section of the pie cap. As you can see, below the pie cap we need a link concrete 50 millimeter thickness, and also the offset from the pie cap is 100 millimeter for working areas, and it's the same for another pie cap type. So right now we got all the detail that we need. We got the thickness and also the offset from the pie cap itself. So right now we go to the layout. We offset 100 millimeter as the detail from the pie cap. So as you can see, our pie cap, we got the polyline already. If you haven't have one, you just poly around the pie cap. And now we go to offset command, offset and enter, and then we type 100 as the offset from the pie cap, and you click on the pie cap itself and then outside, and then it will generate the area 100 from the pie cap as a link concrete. You do the same for another pie cap here. See, it's really simple. It's just click, click, and click. Just do one by one. So all is 100 mm offset from the pie cap for link concrete as a working area. The same with the small one. Okay, perfect. So now we click escape. So you can see we got all the area offset from the pie cap 100 mm as the detail section, as we can see here. So right now we got the area that we need. So in order to get the cubic meter of the link concrete or pie cap, we need a area times the thickness of it. So after we got the offset area, we go to our QS Auto Pro utility and then go down to total area, or you can type QSTA. Okay, now we use short command so we can get the work done faster. QSTA and then enter. Now all you need to do is just select the area as I do right here. See, it's really simple, and then the tool will calculate the right amount for you, the quantity for you. You don't have to like go one by one and check in the the property or something. Those are the old manual way, and we don't want that. So this new generation, we just click it like this, select all of it here, here, and here, as you can see. So now we select all the link concrete after the pie cap, and now you click enter. See, so the area is around 20 square meter, and the thickness of it is 50 millimeter. So we put 0.05 as a millimeter, and then put one right here. Oh, I can just copy it here. Yeah, so we can see it's the same. We take the area times the height, and we will get around 1 cubic meter for the pie cap. So this one already done. So now we have to double check it. So you put the mouse on it, and then you find your team on AutoCAD. Boom. So this is the area that we need for link concrete of pie cap. So we can check it like this and make sure that all the pie cap we have the link concrete, so we're not missing anything. As you can see, as it highlight right here, it shows us that where does the quantity come from, so we're not missing anything. See, all done. So this one is for the pie cap, and I want to make the it should be the old shot, So I would like to end the lesson right here for the ICAP. And next lesson we're going to the ground slab and ground beam as well. So thank you for watching.